So as my time in Cyprus comes to an end, my next adventure is just beginning. Flying Aegean Air, I make my way to Athens, Greece. A short drive and I arrive at my hotel, Athens 21, located right in the heart of the city. After a good night's sleep, I was ready to start the day. Today's my first day in Athens, although I guess technically I arrived last night, but it's the first day. So now it's time to go and explore. So I put together a list of a number of things I want to see and do. Right now I'm walking in the Monastiraki flea market, where there's lots of shops, lots of stalls selling all kinds of souvenirs, t-shirts, clothing, snacks, everything. It's got a real great atmosphere. So there are scooters zipping around everywhere, so you've got to keep your eye open when you're crossing the streets, or even walking down these laneways. So as the morning progresses, more and more people arrive. Wandering through the laneways and streets, I found myself back where I started. So now I'm in Monastiraki Square, where there's plenty of stalls around the place selling souvenirs and all kinds of other things, lots of food places, lots of tourists. This is just a centre of activity and a lot of buzz happening. This is a great place to jump on a tour bus or just soak in the atmosphere. So I continued my day and ventured out a little further. I think it's about 10 a.m. and I think I've got to find something cool to drink. When in Greece, you've got to get a Frappe. Okay, so that one, that looks good. I'm gonna get that. So just taking a little break from all the walking around, and I got myself a frappe. That's nice and refreshing. Nice and cold. But also, I couldn't go past getting a gataifi. Let's have a look. Really good in the window. Let's see what it tastes like. So they didn't have the cream gataifi at the moment, so I just got a normal one, but it's fantastic. Alright, I think it's time to get moving again. This city is just so amazing that I find myself just wandering around all day. So now I'm on my way to check out the changing of the guard at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. In summer, every half hour, they change the guard. You'll see in a minute and you'll see what I'm talking about. I tell you, the sun's getting really hot. So that's really amazing to see, and you know, you got to show a lot of respect because they're out here every day, rain, 40-degree heat, doesn't matter, just amazing. So I just found a spot to get out of the heat, and well, I gotta say it's kind of spectacular. Let me just walk away and you can see in the background as I get further away what I'm talking about. I mean, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Alright, let's get a better shot of that. Stuff is just everywhere. It's really amazing.
Best, you are the best.
So apparently it's now official. I am the best. You heard it first. Now it was time for a little snack. So not too far from my hotel, a street lined with every type of clothing store you could imagine. It's got to find something to drink, maybe some ice cream to cool off a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be nice. It's cold, looks delicious, and I noticed they won awards for the ice cream. And on a day like today, what's better than ice cream? It's estimated that this church was built sometime in the 11th century. As was common with early Christian churches, this was built over an ancient Greek temple. It is about lunchtime. So probably kind of makes sense why this place is pretty packed. Wandering the streets, it's hard to get lost, as most times I seem to end up back at one of these iconic locations, or back where I began. I think I'm going to go back to the hotel, chill out for a little bit with some aircon, and decide what I'm doing for the rest of the day. So I caught up with some friends, had some dinner, then went and explored the city at night. Athens just takes on a different vibe once the sun sets. It's incredible. The sun rises to a cool morning, but I know it's going to be another hot day. So breakfast is done and I'm hitting the streets. It's going to be another hot day, as I said before. Got the sunscreen on, hat on, backpack, cameras. Let's get moving.
Καλημέρα, Αθήνα. Αυτή είναι η πανέμορφη πόλη σου που μιλάει, όπου ο ήλιος θα λάμψει σήμερα στους 40 βαθμούς Κελσίου. Αλλά μη φοβάσαι, γιατί η ζέστη δεν αντιστέκεται στα ατελείωτα θαύματα που σε περιμένουν. Από το να περιπλανιέσαι στα ιστορικά στενά της Πλάκας, μέχρι το να θαυμάζεις την αιώνια ομορφιά της Ακρόπολης, υπάρχει ένας κόσμος περιπετειών που απλά περιμένει να εξερευνηθεί. Οπότε πάρε το αντιλιακό σου και βουτήξε στο ζωντανό παζλ της Αθήνας. Δεν υπάρχει ποτέ ένα βαρετό στιγμιότυπο σε αυτή την εκπληκτική πόλη. Έτσι, βγες και απλά εξερεύνησε.